How to fix my Cash App account. Now, first of all, to fix your Cash App account, you need to understand what kind of issues you're having with Cash App account. Whether you're not being able to log in because you forgot your password, then you can reset it, or maybe because Cash App put some restrictions in your account, or you're not being able to make transactions, add, deposit money, or whatever else. First of all, let us see. In my case, I can actually log into my account, but I cannot further make transactions and so on. That is because I have not yet verified my identity. So tap on the profile icon from the top right and just check whether or not you have verified your identity. Once you've done that, if you're still having issues, the best thing and the only thing that I would recommend you do is to simply contact Cash App support, because they will be able to help you and find out what kind of issues you're having with your account. From the profile page, scroll down to the bottom until you see this option that says support, and then just tap on it. Once you're here, you're going to simply scroll down under the contact us button, and there you'll find the option called chat. So you can tap on the chat option right there, and once you tap on the chat option, here you can simply chat with support, let them know that what kind of issues you're having, and they should be able to help you with it. But as I said, it's important to identify what issues you are having with your Cash App account. The best remedy is always to contact the support team officially from the app. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.